start the recording. Good morning. Welcome to CodeChamp. Today in this class, I'm telling you few points of MS Word and MS Excel. In MS Word, I'm telling you how to apply header, footer, and page number. For this, I'm taking one typing. And I just want to copy and paste. So for this, I will do copy after Control C and Control V. Take it to the next page also. Now I want to apply the header and I want whatever I will type on the header, it will come in both pages. So we will go to insert one. Click here on the header part. On header, I just want to mention my company name, that is CodeChamp. So we will click on header. Choose whatever you want. Just do the double click here and present here CodeChamp. Now select it. If you want to make it big, go to the home. With the help of this option, you can increase it and also keep it in the center. After that, do the double click after the dotted line. As you can see, the dotted line is here now. Do just double click here. Now you can see it's coming in both pages. Got it? Now after this, I want to apply the footer. So go to insert, click on the footer. You can choose any footer as per your choice. I want page number, so I'm click on this Austin one. My page number is here. As usual, as I have told you, go to home, increase the size of it, and do the double click outside of the footer. So now you can see this is page number 1, this is page number 2. And if you want to take one more page, then it will show page number 3 also. Again, click on blank page. It is coming here, that page number 4. Like this, you can add the page number and the header footer very easily. Now, as I told you that let's start the topic of MS Excel. I just forget to apply how to apply the average formula here. So it's very easy. With the help of AI, we can apply any formula. First of all, I'm making here one sheet. I'm typing here name, my subject, math, English, computer, science. I also want to mention the total. And also I want to mention the average. I'm just typing the name, Rina. I'm typing the score. But I forget how to apply the formula of total and average. So I will select my sheet, press Ctrl C, come back to here ChatGPT, Ctrl V, and you should tell here, apply formula of sum and average. Then press enter. When we press the enter, it will analyze the image. It is showing like this and it is showing the formula also like sum B2 is to 32, average B2 is to 32. So what I will do, I will copy this formula, Control C, come back to here and Control V. Oh, let me do it one more time. Go back to your ChatGPT. Just select it, copy, come back to Excel, click here. Okay, I think it's pasted it. That's why. First of all, I have to deselect it, copy, and then paste. Now it is showing the formula of sum. Again, I'm going to select the average formula, Control C, and coming here, Control V. Both formula is here. Remember that time it's not working because I have selected it. First of all, deselect it, then apply the formula of total and average. I hope how to apply Excel AI and how to apply header footer in MS Word is completely clear for you. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.